Dear students, now I am giving NEET 2024 solutions, questions and solutions. In an electrical circuit, the voltage is measured as V equal to, and the current is measured as I equal to 20 plus or minus 0.2 ampere. The value of resistance is delta V by resistance R equal to V by I equal to V 200 by 20 equal to 10 ohms. R equal to 10 ohms. Delta R by R equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I equal to 4 by 200 plus 0.2 by 20 equal to 4 by 200 plus 2 by 200 equal to 6 by 200. Delta R equal to 6 by 200 into R equal to 6 by 200 into 10 equal to 0.3 ohms. Therefore, R equal to 10 plus or minus 0.3 ohms అవుతుంది. Next one. A particle is moving along x-axis with its position x varying with time t as x equal to alpha t power 4 plus beta t square plus gamma t plus delta. The ratio of its initial velocity to initial acceleration is velocity v equal to dx by dt, rate of displacement 4 alpha t cube plus 2 beta t plus gamma. At t equal to 0, v equal to initial velocity u equal to gamma. Acceleration a equal to dv by dt equal to 12 alpha t square plus 2 beta. At t equal to 0, acceleration a equal to a initial equal to 2 beta. Now the ratio v initial by a initial equal to gamma by a initial 2 beta అవుతుంది. Gamma by 2 beta. Vt graph of motion of a body is shown. The corresponding At graph of the motion is at starting a equal to 0, next a positive, next a equal to 0, next a is negative. In the At graph, starting 0, next positive acceleration, next 0 and next negative acceleration. This is At graph of above Vt graph. Let omega 1, omega 2, omega 3 are angular speeds of the seconds hand, minutes hand and hours hand. If x1, x2 and x3 are their angular distances in 1 minute, the factor which remains constant is omega 1 equal to 2 pi by capital T అంటే 2 pi by 60 omega seconds radians per second, omega minutes 2 pi by మినిట్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఒక రొటేషన్కి 1 అవర్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి 60 into 60 రేడియన్ పర్ సెకండ్, ఒమేగా 3 అవర్స్ హ్యాండ్ 2 pi by 12 into 60 into 60 రేడియన్స్ పర్ సెకండ్. డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ x1 ఈక్వల్ టు omega 1t ఈక్వల్ టు 2 pi by 60 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 pi రేడియన్స్. అలాగే x2 ఈక్వల్ టు omega 2t ఈక్వల్ టు 2 pi by 60 into 60 into 60 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 pi by 60 రేడియన్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ 60 ఉంటుంది. x3 ఈక్వల్ టు omega 3t ఈక్వల్ టు 2 pi by 60 into 60 into 12 into 60. ఒక 60 క్యాన్సిల్ అయినట్లయితే 2 pi by 60 into 12 రేడియన్స్ అవుతుంది. Therefore, omega 1 by x1 ఈక్వల్ టు omega 1 2 pi by 60 by x1 2 pi. 2 pi by 60 by 2 pi ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 60. omega 2 by x2 ఈక్వల్ టు omega 3 by x3 ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 60 ఈక్వల్ టు కాన్స్టెంట్ k. A bob is whirled in a horizontal circle by means of a string at an initial speed of 10 rpm. The tension in the string is quadrupled while keeping the radius constant. The new speed is tension T equal to mr omega square. T1 by T2 equal to omega 1 square by omega 2 square. T by 4T equal to omega square by omega 2 square. tt క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. omega 2 square ఈక్వల్ టు 4 omega square. omega 2 taking root on both sides. omega 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 2 omega ఈక్వల్ టు 2 into 10 అంటే 20 రేడియన్ పర్ సెకండ్. A bob is whirled in a horizontal plane by means of a string with an initial speed of omega rpm. The tension in string T, if the speed becomes 2 omega while keeping the same radius, the tension in the string becomes T1 by T2 equal to omega 1 square by omega 2 square equal to omega square by 4 omega square equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, T2 equal to 4 T1. A box of mass 5 kg is pulled by a cord up along a frictionless inclined plane at 30 degrees with horizontal. The tension in the cord is 30 Newton. The acceleration of the block is. This is a smooth inclined plane of angle 30 degrees A block of mass m is on the inclined plane. Its weight mg. This is mg cos theta and this is mg sin theta, and tension along the plane upwards. T minus free body diagram. T minus mg sin theta equal to ma t 30 minus mg 5 into g 10 into sin 30 1 by 2 equal to 5a. 2 5s 30 minus 25 equal to 5a. 5a equal to 5 and a equal to 1 meter per second square. A horizontal force 10 Newton is applied to a block A. The masses of blocks A and B are 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram. The block slides over frictionless surface. The force is applied on block A 10 Newton. The force exerted by block A on B is force F equal to m1 plus m2 into A. Acceleration A equal to F by m1 plus m2 equal to 10 by 5 ante 2 meter per second square. Force exerted by A on B. This is taken as small f. Small f equal to m2 into A on B. m2 into acceleration A. This equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6 newtons. Force exerted by A on B equal to force exerted by B on A equal to 6 Newton. An object moving along x direction with Ke of 10 joule is displaced through x equal to 3I meter by the force F equal to minus 2I cap plus 3J cap Newton. Ke of body at the end of the displacement x is, according to work energy theorem, work done W equal to delta Ke. Delta Ke final minus Ke initial equal to F bar dot S bar equal to minus 2I cap plus 3J cap dot 3I cap. This equal to minus 6 joule వస్తుంది. Ke final minus Ke initial equal to 10 equal to minus 6. Ke final equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4 joule. An object falls from a height of 10 meter above the ground. After striking the ground, it loses 50% of its kinetic energy. The height up to which the object can rebound from the ground is PE at maximum height equal to Ke on ground. Mg into 10 equal to Ke 1. KE2 ఈక్వల్ టు 50% కాబట్టి 50% లాస్ అయిందంటే 50% ఉన్నట్లు. 10 mg ఈక్వల్ టు మరి ఈ 10కి ఒక జీరో పోతే 5 mg అవుతుంది. అగైన్ దిస్ 5 mg ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు mgH2. మై mg క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. దేర్ ఫోర్ H2 ఈక్వల్ టు 5 meter. At any instant of time t, the displacement of any particle is given by 2t minus 1 SI units under the influence of force 5 Newton. The value of instantaneous power is my instantaneous power కావాలి. Velocity v equal to dx by dt equal to d by dt of 2t minus 1 equal to 2 meter per second. P instantaneous equal to force into velocity equal to 5 Newton. 5 into 2 equal to 10 watt అవుతుంది. Two bodies A and B of same mass undergo complete inelastic collision. The body A moves with velocity v1, where body B at rest before collision. The velocity of system after collision is v2. The ratio v1 is to v2 equal to. According to law of conservation of linear momentum, total momentum before collision equal to total momentum after collision. M into v1 plus m into 0 equal to mv2 plus mv2. ఇది 0 అవుతుంది. mv1 equal to 2mv2. v1 by v2 equal to 2 by 1 or 2:1. The radius of gyration of a solid sphere of mass 5 kg about an axis xy is 5 meter as shown. Radius of the sphere is 5x by root 7 meter. Then the value of x is. ఇక్కడ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ గైరేషన్ అబౌట్ ఏ టాంజెంట్ I tangent equal to 7 by 5 mr square. This equal to 7 by 5 into m 5 kilogram into r square. This equal to 7r square. Given IXY equal to mk square equal to 5 into 25 equal to 125, which is equal to 7r square. Therefore r square equal to 125 by 7 and r equal to root 125 by 7 అంటే 5 root 5 by 7 given root 7. This equal to 5x by root 7 meter. ఇక్కడ రూట్ 7 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. 5 క్యాన్సిల్ అయినట్లయితే x ఈక్వల్ టు root 5 అవుతుంది. The moment of inertia of thin rod about an axis passing through its midpoint and perpendicular to the rod is 2400 gram centimeter square. Length of the rod is 400 gram. Length of the 400 gram rod is nearly. The moment of inertia of rod about an axis passing through center normal to length is ml square by 12. Here I equal to 2400 equal to mass 400 into L square by 12. 430 6 times cancel అవుతుంది. L square equal to 72. L equal to root 72 అంటే nearly 8.5 centimeter అవుతుంది. A wheel is rolling on a level road. Linear speed of wheel is v as shown. The correct option is in pure rolling v equal to vq equal to 0. Velocity at point q equal to 0 and velocity at p equal to general formula 2v cos theta by 2 at point p theta equal to 0. Therefore vp equal to 2v into cos 0 1 అంటే 2v. Therefore velocity at p is greater than velocity at q. An object of mass 100 kg falls from points A to B. The change in its weight correct to the nearest integer is. When the body is at A, weight mg dash equal to mg by 1 plus h by r whole square equal to mg by 1 plus h equal to 2r by r whole square. r cancel అవుతుంది. mg by 1 plus 2 3 square అంటే 9. mg by 9. రెండవసారి బాడీ అట్ బి ఈ పాయింట్ బి mg double dash equal to mg by 1 plus t is at a height 3/2 r from ground. h equal to 3/2 r by r whole square equal to mg by 1 plus 3/5/2 whole square 25/4. 4 mg by 25 అవుతుంది. ఇది డిఫరెన్స్ కావాలి మనకి. డెల్టా డబ్ల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు mg 4 mg by 25 మైనస్ mg by 9 ఈక్వల్ టు 225. LCM 225 అవుతుంది. ఇది 36 మైనస్ 9 అంటే 25 mg. దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 11/225 ఇంటూ mg అంటే 100 into 10,000. 25 9s 25 40s 440 440 by 9 equal to 49 న్యూటన్ అవుతుంది. The escape velocity for Earth is V, a planet 9 times mass and radius 16 times. My escape velocity V equal to root 2 gm by